If you think about it for just a moment, almost everyone in the world wants to love and be loved. And that's a good thing. But there's also something else we all want, and that's respect. Have you ever met someone who doesn't want to be treated with respect? But there was a time not too long ago when being respected in the places where we work, by our colleagues, our bosses, and our customers, it wasn't very important, and it wasn't very common. Sure, it felt good if they respected us, but if they didn't, oh well, we just had to grow a thicker skin, keep our heads down, and get on with it. Sadly, many people put up with disrespectful workplaces for their entire careers. But today, the world of work has changed dramatically. Being respected at work is no longer a nice to have, it's an absolute imperative. Business leaders all over the world are finally waking up to the reality that employees who are treated with respect are more loyal, collaborative, productive, and effective. Bottom line, respect really does make a positive, powerful difference. So the question is, do the people who work with you and for you treat each other with respect? Do you have a workplace where respect is truly valued? At the Center for Respectful Leadership, we can help you answer that question. Our training programs, organizational assessments, and simple, easy-to-understand seminars, presentations, and talks are all designed with one thing in mind: helping everyone understand how important respect truly is. Because when you have a company culture where everyone feels respected, then engagement, loyalty, collaboration, productivity, and customer satisfaction are the best they can be. And those are the kinds of business results that we all respect.